Hey there, this is wasabi shrimp and avocado salad, and it's so simple and yet so delicious. You're going to see in a minute just how simple this is. Now, I can't really take credit for this because this is something my wife made many years ago when we were first going out together, and I thought, wow, that's fantastic. Since then, I've just toyed around with it a bit to get the measurements right for you and all that, and I wanted to share this with you because it is really delicious, these flavors coming together. It's just, oh, yeah. So, let's go to the kitchen and make some wasabi shrimp and avocado salad right now. All right, making this wasabi shrimp avocado salad is super simple because there's only like 4 ingredients. What we have here is, first of all, the wasabi. Now, I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of wasabi. This is a fresh ground. Actually, it's not super fresh ground, but fresh ground in tube. I just buy it in the tube like this. You can get this in most any store where they sell Asian foods. Nowadays with sushi being so popular, you should be able to find this everywhere. Also, if you want to know more about wasabi, there's a fantastic video done by my friend John Daub on Only in Japan, and I'll put the link down below. You should go check that out. It's really quite interesting. I learned things I didn't know about wasabi. Mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Again, with these, I'm saying 1.5 teaspoons and 1/3 cup. It's kind of up to you to just by taste too. If you want to add a little bit more wasabi, if you like it spicy, if you like it a bit milder, cut down a bit. Also, if you want more mayonnaise, you find that you want your salad really mayonnaisey, you can adjust these amounts, and it's really not going to matter. Here I have 2 avocados, and these have been cubed. And if you want to see exactly how to do that, you can see the video in the Patreon post feed, where I show you exactly how to do that with an avocado. Over here we have a 1/2 pound or 230 grams of small shelled cooked shrimp. I cheat. I buy these from IKEA. I find they're the easiest to work with, but you can get any kinds of small shrimp, is fine. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the dressing. Now the trick to this is that you don't want to put all the mayonnaise in here at once. You put a little bit of mayonnaise in and you work the wasabi into it, because the wasabi is still a little bit heavy, so you want to kind of work it in there. And I just do that by smearing. So you're kind of smearing the mayonnaise and the wasabi together. See how that comes together now? Now it's much harder to blend if you throw all the mayonnaise in. But if you throw a little bit in like this, it's really easy. Look at that. Look at that color. And now I just start adding in mayonnaise. About 1/2 of the mayonnaise in there. Mix that around. Take a little bit and just give it a taste test. All right, that's pretty good. But if you would like it a little spicier, add a little bit more wasabi. If you find it's a little spicy, add a little bit more mayonnaise. All right, now as simple as this, we're going to throw the shrimp into a large bowl. We're going to toss in the avocado. Give that a light toss to combine those together. Spoon in the wasabi mayonnaise. And then simply toss to combine. That is all there is to making wasabi shrimp avocado salad. Look at that, it's absolutely delicious. Fantastic, refreshing salad. Great, I love this stuff. All right, now the thing to do here now is, while you're getting everything else ready for dinner, just cover it, throw it back in the fridge, just chill it for a little while. It doesn't have to be for long, but just you gotta chill it down again because it's got a little warm in here while I was mixing it. All right, so enjoy wasabi shrimp avocado salad. Fantastic. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for wasabi shrimp and avocado salad on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen. And don't forget to check out the extra videos on the Patreon post feed.